Imagine sitting on a vast gold mine, untapped and hidden just beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered. Every day, businesses generate a wealth of data, yet, like unmined gold, its true value remains dormant, waiting for it to be discovered. The real challenge is how do you sift through the noise to find the hidden nuggets of insight? Good morning, everyone. My name is Lavanya and I'm a junior business analyst. Before joining DBV, the word cloud meant only one thing to me, making sure to save everything onto Google Drive so I wouldn't risk losing years worth of memories or hard work. Did I do that? No, but at least I knew. But as I dug deeper, I realized the cloud meant more than just storage. It was a way of life. This got me thinking, as business analysts, how do we connect what we do, which is analyze, with the endless cloud opportunities? We all know that data is key to business success, but that entirely depends on how we use it. Today, we'll explore the hidden power of data lakes and how we can effectively mine the hidden goals within the cloud. So, what is a data lake? A data lake, in essence, is a centralized repository that allows businesses to store large volumes of raw, unstructured data in its native form. Unlike traditional warehouses that store only structured data and use predefined schemas, data lakes offer the flexibility to store diverse types of data. This could be customer records, social media fields, or even IoT generated logs. This raw storage approach means that data can be ingested quickly and left in its original state, allowing organizations to process, analyze, and structure the data later whenever they need it or see value in it. Data lakes are designed to handle massive volumes of data, making them ideal for businesses to collect information from multiple sources and meet a scalable solution. By separating data storage and data processing, a data lake provides greater flexibility, allowing engineers and analysts to work with the data directly for exploratory analysis, machine learning, or even business intelligence. This approach makes it easier to accommodate diverse data sets and ensures that no valuable data is lost prematurely. A data lake's ability to store vast amounts of raw data is powerful, but simply having all of that data does not transform it into value automatically. I mean, that would be every business's dream. But without proper processes and tools in place, a data lake can quickly become an overwhelming store of information. The real challenge lies in what happens next. How can businesses sift through and refine the raw data to uncover actionable insights? This is where the gold mining process comes into play, transforming unstructured data into meaningful insights that drive decision making. At the heart of a data lake lies a robust architecture designed to help you gather, store, and analyze data, each working together like a finely tuned machine. So the first layer that we have is the data ingestion layer. And this process involves bringing raw data from different sources into the data lake in its native form. You can see that we have three types of data that can be ingested: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Unstructured data usually fits neatly into data tables and includes discrete data types such as numbers, short text, and even dates. Unstructured data, on the other hand, doesn't fit into any form of data model. This is because of its size and nature. An example of this can include videos, images, or large text documents. Semi-structured data does not follow any form of tabular data model or format, and this is because it does not have a fixed meaning. Effective data ingestion ensures a consistent and scalable flow of data, preparing it for future analysis or processing. Now, the process involves typically two methods. We have batch ingestion and real-time streaming. Batch ingestion collects and loads large volumes of data at scheduled intervals, usually daily or weekly. and is ideal for processing bulk data. Real-time ingestion, on the other hand, streams data as it is being generated, allowing for immediate processing and analysis. This is especially useful for time-sensitive data like live transactions or IoT device tracking. We can often use both methods to balance efficiency and immediacy, but this all depends on the needs and data sources of this business. Now, once the data enters into the data lake, it goes into the storage layer. Here, the data remains in its raw, unprocessed form until it is needed. This serves as a central repository, which enables businesses to store vast amounts of information without requiring any immediate transformation. The next step is the transformation and governance layer, or also known as the processing layer. This is where we use transformation tools to make the data usable. This typically involves a process where the data is cleaned, validated, and standardized before being stored back into the data lake or moved to another storage layer specifically for analysis. An example of this could be customer data. Customer interactions may include incomplete fields, inconsistencies in formats, such as date format or capitalization, or even duplicate records. In this process, these issues will be addressed. Empty records might be filled with default values, data standardized, and duplicate records might be removed. Once the data is cleaned and ready for enrichment, we undergo the analysis layer, where advanced tools like machine learning models or predictive analytics are applied. Analysts enrich data by combining data sets, uncovering trends, patterns, and insights to drive informed decision making. We can take our clean customer data. We can use this data to train predictive models that forecast future behavior, enriched with demographics and purchase history. This enables businesses to create accurate customer profiles, improve segmentation, or even opportunities for personalized marketing. Now, once this data is enriched, what do we do with it? Well, we consume it, right? The results are then visualized using tools like dashboards or reports, helping stakeholders to understand the findings at a glance and enabling data-driven decisions that align with business objectives. This structured approach ensures that insights are actionable and tailored to not only the organization's needs, but also the needs of the customer. So let's get a little bit more technical. So what architecture or services can we use to build our data lake architecture? So at the ingestion layer, we can start off with AWS Transfer Family. This would typically be used for batch ingestion, where it facilitates secure file transfer into AWS using protocols like FTP and HTTP, allowing for seamless ingestion of data from diverse sources. For real-time streaming, we could use a service called Amazon Kinesis. This supports real-time streaming from devices such as IoT and social media, allowing for continuous ingestion and immediate analysis of events, which is crucial for services like fraud detection. So the next one is, as its name says, Amazon Glue. This is where we basically hold the whole data lake together. Amazon Glue will act as our ETL service. What does ETL stand for? Extract, transform, and load. Basically, ETL processes will be automated, and this will call your data sources, cataloging them, and creating schemas to make the data searchable and ready for analysis. At the next layer, which is the storage layer, we would use a service called S3, which is simple storage service. This acts as a scalable storage backbone for data lakes, storing vast amount of structured and unstructured data. Features like versioning and lifecycle policies help manage data over time. As a transformation and governance layer, we could use a variety of tools to clean and validate this information. The overarching service for this whole data lake would be lake formation. This simplifies the setup and management of data lakes by organizing and securing data in S3, facilitating easier access and analysis while maintaining strict access control and governance. Amazon Redshift serves as a powerful data warehousing solution that enables fast query performance through parallel processing. It optimizes storage by using columnar formats, allowing businesses to derive insights efficiently from large data sets. Again, we could use Amazon Glue to transform this data, validate it and standardize it, ensuring the data is of quality standards for the analysis. At the value stage, we could use Redshift again, which runs complex queries for large data sets quickly, enabling advanced analytics that helps organizations drive business strategy. Amazon Elasticsearch provides real-time search and analytics capabilities, enabling efficient indexing and query of data, which is ideal for analytics and application monitoring. How do we enrich it and train it? We could use a service called SageMaker. This supports the development and deployment of machine learning models by providing a managed environment for training and enabling predictive insight. Now, to consume it, we could use their very own reporting tool called AWS QuickSight. This transforms complex data sets into interactive visual dashboards and reporting, connecting data directly to the data sources and empowering data-driven decisions across organizations. Data lakes are transforming the way businesses manage and extract value from their data, offering unparalleled scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. Scalability, for one, allows businesses to store vast amount of data without space limitations, allowing businesses to retain data for future analysis. In terms of flexibility, data lakes accept raw data from multiple sources without requiring music structuring, enabling businesses to organize it when ready for analysis. This allows for quick adaptations to new data. In terms of cost efficiency, by paying only for the storage and compute that you use, data lakes are more effective than traditional on-premise data storage services. This reduces the need for large capital investment. We also know that data becomes redundant very quickly as market trends evolve and customer needs change, meaning it will become too costly to store all of this data in a normal storage option. While with Amazon S3, it offers something called transition policy or lifecycle policy. Businesses can utilize this capability to transition data from one storage option to another. So we could take, for example, if you ingest your data in Amazon S3 standard in the beginning, and after a year or so, you feel like you don't need that data, but would like to retain it for historical value, we could transition that data into something called the archive. That storage option is cheaper and is more cost effective. Also not taking the pressure off of them to discard this information. Why is this important for your business? Well, it helps drive smarter business decisions. Scalability ensures you can gather and analyze real-time data, allowing you to make data-driven decisions, such as predicting sales trends or optimizing your supply chain. Personalized customer experience offers the flexibility combined with machine learning, which allows businesses to analyze vast customer data and enable data-driven decisions. It also allows that customer needs are being able to be anticipated before they're even expressed. An important one for businesses is future-proofing. Investing in a cloud data lake architecture ensures that your business can easily adapt to future demands, whether it's predictive analytics, compliance, or developing new products. The cost efficiency ensures you're not only paying for unused resources, while the scalability and flexibility make your operations agile and ready for whatever comes next. Data lakes offer a lot of potential, but they also come with their fair share of challenges. Data governance, for one. With so much unstructured data flowing in, it can become difficult in tracking who has access and staying compliant with regulations such as HIPAA. This especially is important for industries like finance and health, where data security is very important. Data quality. Because data lakes pull in raw information from so many different sources, it is easy for the quality of the data to suffer. Ensuring it's accurate and reliable takes a lot of effort and validation to cleaning and transforming it into something useful. The skills gap, making sense of all of this data is not easy. You need specialists like data engineers and analysts who know how to extract value from it. Unfortunately, not every company has those skills in-house, which can slow down the process or make the business not be able to realize its full potential of the data that they're extracting. So some real-life implementations that use data lakes. Disney Plus One analyzes user behavior through its data lake to offer personalized content recommendations and improve streaming insights. It also improves insights from viewing habits, which also guide content production decisions. This is my shows that are recommended. I haven't watched them, but I mean, I don't know how accurate it is. Uber uses data lakes for real-time ride metrics, dynamic price based on demand, and predictive maintenance to keep vehicles operational and reduce downtime. I like this one because I use Uber quite a lot, so it would be quite sad if, there's no vehicles to take me home at night. Another one of my favorites is Spotify. I love music and I love listening to Eminem, as you can see. But anyway, this leverages data lakes to create personalized playlists like Discover Week and provide tailored music recommendations. This platform also uses real-time data to enhance user experiences and to give artists insights into how their music is being consumed by their listeners. Now, a key takeaway for this with data lakes, the promise isn't in just storing more. It's about how it's in turning data into a competitive advantage. Companies that can mine their data efficiently have a massive edge in making smarter business decisions, personalizing customer experiences, and future-proofing their operations. By understanding the architecture, benefits, and challenges that data lakes have to offer, businesses are able to unlock the hidden gold within their data, transforming the noise into value.